She only does it when you call. No?
Wait, what?
She only does it when you call.
Yeah.